Hello everyone. So this is a video. I didn't make an intro for this video, but this was yesterday. Took the boat out by myself to go after smallies. So it was nice to be out on the boat by myself. And yeah, just kind of get through some of this crap. But it was nice. But anyway, let's get on with the video. Me on the boat, going for smallies. Here you go. Little dude. Little dude. Little dude crushed it. Tiny dude. Little dude about ripped your face off. What are you doing? What are you doing, psycho? Okay. Look at that dude. I about freaking killed this little thing. And now I spilled my coffee. What a little butthead. Threw up a crawfish though. Oh my God, I about killed that poor little thing. What the heck was he doing? Going after a whopper plopper like that. Little dude has lost his mind. Oh, don't make me do it. I always complain about pulling out the spinning rod, but I really don't mind it. There we go. That's a pretty good one. That's a pretty nice one on the tube. Not great, but not a bad smallie at all. Well, I'll take that. There you go. There's another nice one. Let's see if there's a school, because I was getting kind of tapped like crazy. So, that'd be a school right there. Make another cast. Look at that, I switched to the tube. Quit catching the super tiny ones. Alright, well, not a great day of smallie fishing, but it was nice though. Get out there. I always like going out on the boat or on the kayak even by myself. It's just kind of peaceful. Don't really hope for the peaceful moments though, because that means you're not really catching them, but it's still nice. And you know, not saying I don't like fishing with my boys, but you know, it's nice sometimes. Anyway, and just kind of needed it, I guess. But anyway, I will see you guys on the next one. Click on my logo in the upper left hand corner to subscribe. In the upper right hand corner is the last video I made. In the lower right hand corner there's a video I know you'll enjoy. And make sure to hit that like button down below as well.